How to find square root of 4096 by long division method. First we need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. So this will be our first pair and this will be our second pair. Work on this pair. Take a number whose square will be 40 or equal to 40. Okay, so if you take here look 7, then 7 squared equal to 49, which is greater than 40. So 6 is correct. Same digit will come to the quotient side also. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract, you are getting 4. Bring down the next pair. Okay, since you have placed a digit 6, so same digit will come here. Same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Now for this dividend you have to take here a digit, same digit will come here and you need to multiply. This product should be equal to this or nearest to this. So if you take here look 4, then 4 times 4, 16. Bring down 6, carry on to the next column. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 times 1, 4. 496, which is equal. So our gauging number 4 is correct. Okay, so 64, right? 4 times 124, that is 496. Subtract 0. Since you have placed here the digit 4 here, so same digit will come under this number. So 4 plus 4, 8. Then 2, 1. The double of 64 is 128. This means that our answer 64 is correct. So the square root of 4096 by long division method is 64.